Alright, folks, buckle up. Today, we're diving into a real head scratcher. A car that just wouldn't start. Sound familiar? I'm sure we've all been there. Staring at a dead car with a sinking feeling. And this isn't your average, oh, it's the battery, situation. Nope, we're talking about a guy who went above and beyond. Replacing 3 crucial parts and still, nothing. Talk about a test of patience. Let's get into it. So, picture this: our hero, armed with a wrench and a determined glint in his eye, diagnoses his car's starting woes. He's ready to tackle this head on. First thought, must be the starter. A logical leap, right? Swapped it out, thinking that would be the end of it. Still no go. The engine just turned over, or maybe didn't even do that. Oh, plan B activated. Fuel pump, he thought. Replaced that bad boy, assuming the fuel wasn't getting where it needed to go. Nope, still dead. Starting to sweat a little, right? You can almost feel the heat rising in the garage. Then, the big one. It has to be the ignition coil. This is the part that ignites the fuel. So it must be it, right? 3 strikes, you're out, or, in this case, 3 parts replaced, and still no crank. The frustration must have been real. I can feel the pain from here. Imagine the garage, the tools strewn everywhere. The growing sense of dread. It's a universal experience for any car enthusiast. Now, here's where it gets interesting. He could have thrown more parts at the problem, kept guessing, and emptying his wallet. Perhaps a new computer, sensors? He could have gone on forever. But smart dude that he is, he took a step back. He took a deep breath, and he started thinking. And that, my friends, is when he discovered the real problem. A moment of clarity. It wasn't any of the parts he replaced. Not the starter, not the fuel pump, not even the ignition coil. The culprit? Drumroll, please. A blown fuse. A tiny, seemingly insignificant little fuse. The one that protected the circuit for the entire starting system. You have got to be kidding me. All that time, all that effort. Can you believe it? All that work, all that money spent. And it came down to a fuse. It's like the ultimate practical joke the car played on him. Classic. The car was laughing at him. But hey, it's a good lesson for all of us, right? Sometimes the simplest things can cause the biggest headaches. Before you start throwing parts at a problem, do some basic troubleshooting. Check the fuses. It's the first place to look. Save yourself some time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Seriously, just check the fuses. And that, my friends, is the story of the car that wouldn't start. A reminder that even the most experienced DIYers can get stumped. It is all about the little things. Always remember that. Hopefully, you enjoyed this car adventure. Now, get out there and keep those cars running, and always check those fuses. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos just like this one, and we'll see you in the next one.